Hi there, just making a quick video of the National Geographic Rock Tumbler Hobby Edition. I don't think it was used. Everything is unopened. But I'm not going to list it as new because I took it out of the box. It looks like it was a gift because there's some leftover tape residue here. But the rock box, the rock bag has not been opened, which is this one here. This is to make jewelry with your stones. Whatchamacallit? This is an extra tubing that goes to this. And then the grit 1, 2, 3, 4 are unopened. So I did plug it in and go ahead and turn it on. And you'll see it going. And I'm guessing this is a timer. Because I've sold something similar to this before. And if you set it, it doesn't go faster or slower. Let's see. So I'm thinking it's a timer. So I'm going to stop it now to show you. This is the tumbler. You open it up here. I need a tripod. How do I do this? Okay, so this is to loosen it, and then this is to open it. Let me see. Give me a second. I know I need a tripod. Someday I'll find one and have that third hand. Fourth hand. That was funny. Okay, so I took this off of here, and there's another one. So it's really meant to hold everything in there, I'm guessing. Come on now. Okay. Ugh. So this is all rubber. And what I did is I just squeezed it a little bit and then it got loose. So, this goes like this. Yeah. And so there is where you put, I don't know if it's, you start 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1. It doesn't have any paperwork. But I'm pretty sure you can Google it. Google it. That's an answer for everything now, right? Google it. Look at that, before and after. Yeah, so turn rough rocks into polished gems. That's pretty cool advertising, right? Okay, so there it is. I will put it back the way I found it. Okay, yeah, you don't need to be seeing this part, right? I'm sure you're busy doing other stuff. So, that's the TV in the background, by the way. I'm solo. All by myself. You know, the more I do eBay, the more I'm like, not really good with people in person. I gathered up some stuff and listed it on Facebook local marketplace, and I just don't have patience for people. Like, you know, I left enough meat on the bone for resellers. I made a whole bundle for $100 stuff, and I always like do one hook. The hook was a portable air conditioner that alone sells new for 300 and something, so you can sell it for 100. And then I had other stuff, like a lot of other stuff. Anyway, you know, you always get people, no matter what you list it for, offering you less. So, anyway, I'm blubbering. I'll put this together. It's all there. And if you're so inclined, subscribe, like, notification.